everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in the monthly Look for Less challenge that is hosted by Yami from the Latina Decor, and her co-host this month is Cory from Desert DIY. I will link, as usual, I will leave the links to their channels in the description box, as well as a link to the playlist with all the videos participating in this challenge. Please visit both channels and please watch all the videos, and you won't be disappointed. You will thank me for sure. The Look for Less is about finding a piece of decor that you like but is a little bit overpriced for your budget and that you know you can recreate for less. In this case, I found this vase at Ballard Designs. As you can see, it retails for $23.20 and it's just one vase, not two, and doesn't include shipping, so I don't know how much the shipping is. So honestly, it's a vase with jute, with twine. So jute, I don't know, sorry, let's say twine. So no way. I hope you know already. My daughter and I are dumpster divers. I will leave the link to our channel in the description box also, so if you want to pay a visit to it, you will make us very happy. It's a lot of fun and a service to the planet. And we found this beautiful vase in kind of a caramel color. I don't remember, I think it was Pier 1, but I'm not sure, honestly. And it retailed for $29.99. It's from the Place and Time collection, Picnic Weather. It was broken here, that's why they threw it to the garbage. So I added hot glue and a little bit of gold, because I added hot glue mainly because this was very sharp, so anyone could get a cut when handling it. And I don't mind the imperfections because this is not going to be seen. I'm going to place flowers here, so it's not going to be seen. So I have twine here, so let's get to the craft. I have to clean it, so let's start here. I need my finger protector. As usual, I forget and then I get burned. Just a little bit of hot glue. And then go all around. Like so. I think that's enough. So I'm going to glue this extreme of the twine. And well, of course it's broken, I don't mind, it's not going to be seen, so here you have it. Very quickly I saved $23.20. So this is it. But no, this is it for the Look for Less. I could add more twine, less twine, that's up to the person who is doing this or making this. But I'm not going to finish here. I got another beautiful vase in the dumpster. This one. And I've already covered it with, as you can see, masking tape and some foil. So I'm going to paint it, and I'm going to do the same with this with another design. I'm going to cover some parts, oh, sorry, I'm moving the camera, some parts with masking tape, and maybe I will need the foil also, the wrap. And I'm going to paint them with my favorite paint, which is Rust-Oleum white. Is the paint plus primer flat. So I'm going to enhance the natural beauty of these vases, and I will be back and I will finish the project with some flowers and stuff like that. But for what is the specific look for less, I think I nailed it. I really I can't believe how they can charge this amount of money for a vase with twine. Really? Are you kidding me? Okay. I'll be back in a while with the vases painted, and I'll show you how they look. See you in a moment. Well, I'm back, and both vases are painted already and decorated. I had to remove my nail polish because I made a mess with the glue gun and everything. But as you can see, I painted some white bands, and I added this twine to make both of them have something in common. There are a lot of imperfections because I have essential tremors, as you see in my videos, makes my hands shake. So you see, so for example, just trying to add hot glue on this border is a very thin layer. That's terrible for me. That's why there are a lot of imperfections. But I could find a place, a side that can be used as the front, and that's what I'm going to do. You see in the back, you can see the imperfections here. Fortunately, they happen in the back. So I added twine here, here, and here, and the little stones. And in this case, I added here, here, all around the kind of neck of the vase, and here. And this would be it for this look for less. I'm glad I didn't pay $24 for one vase. I don't know, maybe it's made of crystal. I don't know. I don't care. It's too much for me. And I'm really glad, and you are going to see now how I decorated them for fall. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much to both hostesses for hosting this channel, and please visit their channels and our dance typing channel and the playlist. That's really important too. Thank you so much to all of you for watching from the bottom of my heart. Hope to see you in my next video, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.